Hi guys, today I'm going to show how I make gooey chocolate chip cookies. First we make sugar and butter. So get the sugar. Oh, it says more. And white sugar. So put that down. It. This is how you mix it. And mix it well, like this. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look it. It's looking good. Now we're going to add 1 egg and mix it. There, let's just add that. Oh, wow. And now we're going to add 1 extract and mix it very well. Ooh, look at that, guys. It's looking good. Oh, look at that. Yummy. And add 1 teaspoon of salt. And mix it up very nicely. Wow. It's getting yummy. It's so yummy. It's getting hotter. Guys, falling down. Add the flour and the baking soda. Whoa. So yummy. Whoa. Ooh, look at this white one. Oh. Now we're going to add the milk chocolate chippies. Let's spread it. Now we're going to add the dark chocolate chippies. Whoa, oh, that. This smells like my chocolate chip doodle. Chocolate doodle. Yum. And now we're going to put this in the fridge for 30 minutes. Bye. We'll see you in the next video. Now we're going to put it in the oven. See you later. Yum. Guys, the cookie is ready, and the cookie is so yummy and delicious. Look at it. Look at that. Look, guys.